Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, No Africs. I'm Adeni Additional by name. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a liquid motion animation using Figma tools. So sit back and relax. So first of all, we are going to create the frame. Let's just use a customized frame for now. So let me draw this. I think this is okay. Then secondly, we are going to make use of the pen tools to do the wave. You can either use the pen tool or you can use a plugin. See, for example, you want to use a plugin to create a wave. You click on this. Click on plugin. Type get wave. You can see this wave. Decide to run this. You can try to create the wave from this plugin, but for this tutorial I want to teach you how to use your pen tools to create the wave. So what you do, you click on the pen tools. You can see so make it as long as possible, think this. Let me do one more. This is okay. So you click on done. So you go back to it. You highlight the point. You hold your shift to highlight it below, the down to hold shift. You highlight below. Then you change it. So let's just change the corner to 2. Let me give it 100. I think 100 is okay. Okay, 100 is okay. Then using your pen tools as well. Let's create this. Make sure the line falls inside each point, because if you don't do that way, if you try to add your fill, it's not going to be effective. So make sure the line falls into the points of these waves. So that's the only way your fill can be effective. So after that, you click on done, then you highlight it, then you right click, Ctrl E or flatten it, then you add your fill. See, so that's the first aspect you are going to do. I think this is too small. Let us increase it. Okay, let's increase it right now. Okay, let's reduce let's remove the stroke. Let's change the fill to blue, light blue. Yes. To create two, but first of all, let us try to make it this way. Let us unclip it. Now duplicate it, so it's making two. So this one now you're going to let's darken the color for this. This to the other side. Check again. Okay. So this one now you're reducing, you bring it down. So you bring it down. this side to be showing. Clip. Let's change the rate, the corner for this. Let's make it 400. So I think it's okay right now. So we duplicate this one now. So duplicated it. Let's bring it down. Bring it down. So for this one now, let's clip the content and let's bring it up. Up as high as possible. Then this one, I want you to note that this side, for this side, this one is by the right hand, right, this one by the left hand. So for this one you have to move this by to the left, and this one you move this to the right. So you move this to the right, to the left, or you move this to the right. So let's unclip it. Oh, just this one is the one that's not. Try to unclip it. So I've done it. You can see this is now by the right. Let's compare it. This is by the left before, why this is by the right. Now for the second one, this one will move to the left, this one will move to the right rather, why this one will move to the right. So that's how you have to do it. Let me clip it again. So the next thing is you group it, use shift, create component set. Now the component is created. So the next thing is you prototype. Now let's prototype. Oops. Let's prototype it. So for this one now, send this to this one. Click after delay 1 milliseconds. For this one, smart animation, linear, let's leave it 5,000 milliseconds. Or if you want it to be slower, you can make it 6,000 milliseconds. If you want to be faster, you reduce it. But let us make it be slower. So this one too, send it back after delay 1 milliseconds. Let's make this instant. So this one will be instant. Now that's how you have to create it. Now let us get a frame to test it. Let me use iPhone 8 Plus. Let me reduce this to 60. So iPhone 8 Plus, let us use this. Let me change it back. Now we go to, after the prototyping, now you go to asset panel for you to view this. Click on assets, this page 6, this tutorial, so you can see what we created, the components we created. You drag it, you bring it out. So I already designed this. You can check the description there to see the file on how I created this loading. So I'm not going to teach you how to do this, but you can check the description file. I'm going to put the link there so you can check out I created this, but this is what we want to focus on now. So after putting it, let me adjust it. Let me adjust this too. So this is perfect this way. So we can now test it. Let's test. Perfect. You can see the movement. You can see how it's moving. You can see the way it's moving slowly. So that's how to create a liquid motion animation using Figma tools. Please, if you find this tutorial very useful, try to subscribe, share, and turn up the notification for subsequent teachings. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.